If you've ever opened up a PDF and wished you could make a text field pop with a different color, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple process of changing the color of text inside a text field using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize your PDFs and make them a whole lot more visually appealing, whether it's for a presentation, an official form, or just a personal touch. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is load up your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you have your document open, look for the Tools option at the top. This is where all the helpful editing features live. Go ahead and click on Tools, and then select Edit PDF from the list. This is the magic key that unlocks your ability to tinker with the content of your PDF. Until you hit Edit PDF, Acrobat Pro is mostly just letting you read or comment. It might take a moment to find, especially if you have a lot of tools visible, but once you get used to it, it'll be second nature. If you don't see Edit PDF right away, you can use the search bar in the Tools window to find it instantly. Now, once you're in edit mode, you'll notice your PDF looks a bit different. Acrobat highlights elements and makes them selectable so you can change them, almost like stepping behind the scenes. Take a look at your text fields and click directly onto the one you want to change. Sometimes the text field may be hiding in a table or surrounded by other boxes, so make sure you're clicking on the right spot. Once you've selected the text field, you can now actually highlight the text you want to modify, just like you would in a word processor. This step is important because it tells Acrobat exactly which part of the field you want to recolor. If you want to change the color for only part of the field, just drag your cursor over that section. If you want to update the whole thing, simply highlight all the text in the field. Don't worry if your first click doesn't select what you want. You can always click again or drag to adjust. Next up, let's get colorful. After you highlight the text, you should see a formatting bar pop up close by. It can look a little different depending on your version of Acrobat, but keep your eyes out for the font color option. This usually appears as a letter A with a colored underline. Think of it like a paintbrush for your text. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will reveal a palette of color options for your text. If you're not sure which shade to pick, I often recommend something that contrasts nicely with your background so it stands out but isn't jarring. For example, dark blue stands out well on white forms for signatures, red might draw attention to an important note, or green might signal a completed status. Once you select your preferred color, Acrobat instantly updates the selected text, and you should see the change right there on the page. If you don't see it right away, click outside the field to refresh, and the new color should appear. That's it. You've officially changed the color of a text field in your PDF. This trick is handy for making forms easier to read, highlighting crucial information, or just giving your documents a touch of personality. Remember, if you make a mistake or pick a color you don't like, you can always go back, highlight the text again, and choose a different shade. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to see more Adobe Acrobat tips, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy editing.